Welcome all. We have already started with our fifth lesson, that is multiplication part 1. So few part from that lesson is remaining, so we are going to continue it today. So the first one is the word problems. So just see near the board. So the first question near the board is the cost of one chair is rupees 650. Find cost of 4 such chairs. You are going to find out the cost of 4 such chairs. We are knowing right now the price of one chair and we want the price of same 4 chairs. What we are supposed to do now? Yes, whenever such question appears, like one cost is given, you are supposed to find out for 5, 6, 10, many other numbers, you are going to multiply it. So how we are going to multiply? That day we have seen the lattice method. For doing that, we are going to draw one box and then we are going to place the digits into it. Now we are having 650 over here. How I am going to expand 650? Just tell me. Yes, it is 600 plus 50 plus 0. This is okay. So now we are going to form the table or we are going to form one box. Multiplication 650. So I am going to write the expanded form which I have already done over here, that is 600, 50 and 0. And how many chairs? I want the value of how many chairs? Yes, I want the value of 4 such chairs. So 4 will be over here. So now we are going to multiply it. Now just see, I have told you that in the trick also. 4 multiplied by 600. Instead of doing 600, just focus on this 6. 4 multiplied by 6 is how much? Yes, it is 24. And these 2 zeros are present over here. Here zeros are present, not present. So here 2 zeros, they will be added over here. It is 2400. Now focus on this 50. 4 multiplied by 50. 4 5s are how much? Just look at this 5. 4 5s is 20. And 50 consists of 1 0. That 0 will be over here. 4 how much multiplied by 0? 4 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 0 itself. So now what is my work? Yes, I am going to add the numbers which I got over here. These numbers which I got, I am going to add them. I have did the circle, you don't do it because only to understand which part to add, I am going to add it. That is 2400 plus 200 plus 0. I am going to add it. Now tell me what will be the answer. Yes, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 2, sorry, there is nothing to add over here. So it will be 2. So the price of 4 such chairs will be 2600. My place is insufficient over here. While writing in the book, write it properly. So we are going to write over here. Therefore, price of 4 such chairs is rupees 2600. I hope you have understood this question. Now we will focus on the next question that is given on the board. A van consists of 205 crates. A van consists of 205 crates. Crates means what? Yes, the container in which you are keeping the mangoes. So a van, a vehicle consists of 205 crates. Each crate consists of 48 mangoes. In that one crate, there are 48 mangoes. Now they have asked you, find the number of mangoes in the van. Find the number of mangoes present in that vehicle. What we will do over here? Basically, we are going to do multiplication. Multiplication of which two numbers? Yes, 205 into 48. So see over here. 205. How I am going to write 205? Can you tell me 205 can be expressed as? Yes, I am going to expand it as 200 plus 0 plus 5. And how I am going to write 48? Can you tell me? It can be written as 40 plus 8. Now same way by the lattice method we are going to do the multiplication. We are going to draw the box and we are going to place the digit inside. 200 0 5. 40 expansion, 48 expansion I will write 40 and 8. So now just see the calculation what we are supposed to do. 40 multiplied by 200. It is so big calculation. So what I am going to do? 4 multiplied by 2. What is 4 multiplied by 2? 4 2s are 8. Now see the zeros. See and count the zeros. 40 consists of 1 0 and 200 consists of 2 zeros. So that 2 and this one 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So your 8 will get how many zeros? 3 zeros. Is this okay? Now just look over here. 40 multiplied by 0. We are knowing any number multiplied by 0. What is the answer? 0 itself. 40 multiplied by 5. 40 multiplied by 5 is how much? Yes, 4 into 5. 4 multiplied by 5 you do, it is 20. 40 consists of 1 0. So 1 0 will be added over here. This part is over. Now we will do of 8. But now we are going to multiply with 8. 8 multiplied by 200. So I will do 8 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. How many zeros 200 consists of? 2 zeros. So 2 zeros over here. Your 8 is not having 1 also 0. So we have not written over here. Now see, 8 multiplied by 0. 8 multiplied by 0 is how much? 0 itself. And 8 multiplied by 5. What is the answer? Yes, it is 40. Now what is our work? Yes, we are going to add these digits. Again I am telling you, don't do this circle. It is for you to understand which part we are going to add. So I am going to write these all numbers together. I am going to add them. I have not added 0 because adding 0 will not affect the answer itself. Okay. So now just see. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. What will be the answer? 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 4. It will be 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 1 plus 8 is 9. So the answer is 9840. The question is asked to you. Find the number of mangoes in the van. Number of mangoes in the van are 9840. I hope you have understood this. We will see now one part which is left of this lesson. Okay, so now just see near the board, we are going to do one more sum, that is 706 into 76. How we are going to calculate it? First we are going to expand that two numbers. Just tell me 706, how I am going to write it? Can you tell? Yes, it is 700 plus 0 plus 6. Same I am going to present over here. 700 plus 0 and 6. Tell me how I am going to expand 76. It is 70 plus 6. I am going to write over here 70 and 6. This is okay. Now see on here the board. 70 multiplied by 700. 70 multiplied by 700. You will be finding this calculation so big, but if you follow the trick, it will be very easy for you. 70 multiplied by 700. Instead of doing that, 7 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. How many zeros does 70 and the 700 total consist of? Yes, this one and this two. 3 zeros. So 3 zeros I am going to add over here. Is this okay? Now we will go for the next number. 70 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, what will be the answer? 0 itself. 70 multiplied by 6. 7 6 is how much? Yes, it is 42. And this 0, it's itself 1, so 1 0 over here. Now we will focus on the next part, that is 6 multiplied by how much? 6 multiplied by 700. Just see, we are going to do 6 multiplied by 7. It is 42. 2 zeros, so 2 zeros will be added here. 6 multiplied by 0, it will be 0. And 6 multiplied by 6, it will be 36. The part which is present over here, I am going to add them. Now I am not going to do that circle. So 49000, that is 49,000, 4,200, 420 and 36. I am not going to add that zeros which are present, because adding them or subtracting them will not give me anything. So just see now here the board. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. Answer will be 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 9 is 13. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 53,656. So this will be the answer for the question. It will be 53,656. So I hope you have understood this. This our lesson is completed over here. The question answers I will also give soon. Thank you.